short road trip to Nive Tanyigbe road towards home. Stay tuned and keep watching our channel. Apparently, the journey has begun from Tanyigbe, heading towards Home. We are moving from Tanyigbe to the first town of Akwepe. Yes, so yeah, this is where the soldiers are. This is the artillery training school, where new military recruits, when they bring them, they come for training on this very place, and they are trying to own that facility, and they not yet pay the people who the land belongs to. So it's a hanging issue within the area. Yes. So when you move from that very stretch, you are entering into Akwepe town. Yes, this is Akwepe Avenue. It's a nice small town just beside the road when moving from Tanyigbe to this thing. This is their school, as you can see. So we proceed through on the same stretch of road through to home. At this very place, new stores and buildings are coming up just beside the road, and I think it's a good thing. On this stretch, the towns within this very road are getting connected. What I mean is by the buildings from the other end to the next town, they are building it together to form one straight town. So it's a nice thing for the area, and it will bring economic development to them as the number increases within this catchment area. This is Akwepe Avenue. If you don't know here, this is the town that we are now. This is Akwepe Avenue. MJ Farm Base, we do content about farm, but on this very day we were going on some exploration, and we decided to take a video and make you see the area where all our activities happen within. So if you've not yet subscribed and you think you like our content, please do so by subscribing. The arrow is pointing to a town called Gaja. It's part of Akwepe town. It's part of one of the Akwepe towns. So that very junction, you see there's Gaja. This is a new workshop coming up where the people are going into welding. It's a nice thing to see that our people are being empowered or economically forcing for themselves. So yes, that is it. This very place is called Tanto. Yes, Tanto. When you pass this road, still you go to the Gaja where the earlier one bypass the junction at. So yes, this is it. We are still within the Akwepe Avenue catchment area, and that very small junction is called Tanto. So from here we are moving to the next town of Akwepe called Akwepe Toko. Yes, Akwepe Toko is on the way. Here is a school. I think it's a private school on the road. When going from Tanyigbe to Akwepe area, it's on your left, but when you are coming from home, it's on your right. So from there, there are some other buildings which are individual houses people are trying to build here and there. It's connecting the two towns almost all together. For you, when you are traveling, you just travel straight by seeing houses till you get to the next town. And initially there were a lot of bushes where you pass before getting to the next town, but now the development is ongoing and things are changing. So this very town is Akwepe Toko. Take a very good look at the buildings, some of the houses at the roadside. They look nice and they are quite okay, and some also are the old type of building with the panel windows, which we can still see. This is an old town, Akwepe Toko, one of the Akwepe towns. It's part of the Asogbe traditional state. So yes, this is Toko. This very place is around their public address system, where they do their announcement and stuff like that. There are some business activity going on the roadside there. Here, this is Akwepe Toko. Welcome back to the channel. If you are a new subscriber or you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and that is the only way you can support us so that we keep giving you all these updates on the area and the people you live within. Somebody might ask why these speed ramps, and I think when they first started the route, there were no speed ramps, and the recklessness of the drivers were too much, so they decided to bring speed ramp to control the speed of the drivers to avoid any accident on this very place. Yes, we are moving now to Demi, but before you get to Demi, you see a police barrier before getting to Demi. So let's be on the lookout for the police barrier. You are definitely going to see it before you cross into Demi Township. Here we are within the barrier located point. They've stopped some truck here, and I think they want to do their normal usual inspection. Nothing too strange on this road. Yes, this is the activities that goes on here. After this very place, on your right, there is a particular church here which people used to attend. But one thing on this very road is the side roads that are joining have made a lot of sand. It has washed a lot of sand when it's rained from the top onto the road. So be careful when you are over speeding on this very stretch. So this is Demi. Yes, this very place is I think a filling station side of the road. Yes, here is this, the washing bay. So there are a lot of these tricycle commercial riding taxis within this town, and when even getting to Ho. So if you are driving or you are riding, just be on the lookout for them, and stay safe as you move and observe all the road signs. This is Demi police station, and from here they have a police station here, which I think it's a good one. Before, in the past, there were no police station within that very road. So from Ho to Tokokwe, that is where you get to a police station. This is their school campus, the basic school that is within that town, Demi. That is their compound. The students are playing there on this very sunny day. So we are within the Demi town. I think a couple of steps away from here. Yes, that is their chief's palace. Yes, I think so. The story building that we just bypassed. So this is a lot of cheerful people all around the road and stuff. So welcome back to Volta region. These are some of the places we are showing you, so that when you come, you first be familiar within the area. When you are traveling, no need to panic because there's nothing strange here. It's just like any other town. So that is it. If you've not yet subscribed to our channel and you've watched this far, please support us by subscribing to the channel, and we'll keep bringing you important entertaining content. Thank you. So from here we are descending. This is a very nice coconut. I think this variety is a very good one. So here is the end of Demi. You can see the signboard there. So from here we are entering Hozongo. Yes, this is Hozongo. This community, after Demi, you enter Zongo community. This very place is a little bit slopey, and when descending, just be careful, be on the lookout. Maybe it's within the Zongo community. Sometimes there was a time we were passing, there was this cow which became angry or furious towards the person trying to handle it. So it became a scene. Even the military people passing, they have to stop and give a chance to the cow to cross. So when we are passing by, just be on the lookout. Don't overspeed here. Yes, that is the little tip for this very area. Be careful. Here is the central mosque of Ho. Yes, this is the central mosque where their prayers are being held, and so that is it. Over from that side, you are entering into home. I think the video ends somewhere around here or this thing. I'll bring you in any new development anytime we come for new exploration. I'll try to post it here on this channel. Keep watching. If you've not yet subscribed yet, please do so, and see you in our next video.